Hi, everybody. It's story time, and I feel inspired to read to you Animals Should Definitely Not Wear Clothing. Animals should definitely not wear clothing. Simple as that. Because it would be disastrous for a porcupine. Because a camel might wear it in the wrong places. Because a snake would lose it. Because a mouse could get lost in it. Because a sheep might find it terribly hot. Because it could be very messy for a pig. Because it might make life hard for a hen. Because a kangaroo would find it quite unnecessary. Because a giraffe, wrong way. Because a giraffe might look sort of silly. Because a billy goat would eat it for lunch. Because it would always be wet on a walrus. Because a moose could never manage. Because possums might wear it upside down by mistake. And most of all, because it might be very, wrong way, embarrassing. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.